Eliminex here. We're in a crawl attic. You can see the door that goes into the bedroom. You can see the rodents totally eating up this vertical insulation, chewing it up to make nesting material. And we got all kinds of traps here. So far we caught 4. This is the second week where there's a main attic above here. There's an access point, and there's like a main attic, 1,200 square foot attic up there. So I'm gonna go up there with the ladder. So I got these traps everywhere. This way we don't have to use any poisons. No poisons and riff rats, and we can just catch them all. And these are cold weather glue boards. They work really good, but then it's getting pretty cold in here. But you know, as long as it stays above 45 degrees in the space, these glue's really sticky. These glue trays, they work really well. That's how we caught them last time. And then these easy snaps, they go right in there. And then the yellow part on the strap disappears when the trap triggers inside. Then we have these repeater traps. I haven't caught one yet in these. Trying to do a better baiting system to get them to go into that funnel. You know, all kinds of that's experimental phase. These cages are at the experimental phase, because you can actually hang them outside a window, or even on a gutter, if you can find out how they're getting in. Or build a shelf. So and in the meantime, this is an experimental phase, because it has like a gravity door when they go in that funnel, but they're already trapped. But I can't get them out. They have to go into this trap door. So it's no problem. I guess if they did die in there, I could open the door and then shake them out. So see how these traps work. I'm going to order a few more traps, different types from Comstock. Those are right here. Those are really good traps. And see how this goes. I'm going to come back in a week. See how it goes. So far, nothing has happened since we caught the 3 last week. There hasn't been any more noise, and we're going to keep monitoring for 6 weeks before I start doing the seal up, which will be around about March.